Hey, sixth grade parents and students. I am recording this video so that we can all still be on the same page and about sixth grade science. So, as we go into distance learning, things are going to be very different, but also very similar in a lot of ways. We will still be using Teams for assignments and notes and things like that. All the resources that I will provide will either be attached to the assignment or I will tell you where they are as far as class materials and in the files section as well. In addition, everything will be also on Plus Portals. So all assignments and due dates will be posted in Plus Portals for you all to see with those resources. Since we will not be having kind of in-person classes, I want to make sure that I'm providing more maybe resources than you may need just so that you have extra stuff just in case since I'm not there for you in person. Things may change just depending upon how it all goes, and so keeping the lines of communication open and you reaching out to me with any questions that you may have is going to be really important so that we can all stay on the same page. This week, we will be continuing on with some things that we had started before break, so that includes our lab report on the performance assessment that we did with weathering and erosion, and finishing up our weathering and erosion PBL that we started in class. If you were absent for whatever reason during that last week, please reach out to me so that I can provide you with additional resources to help you complete those assignments. You are more than welcome for the weathering and erosion PBL to take pictures at home using your Chromebooks if you would like to, if you don't like the pictures that we took at school or whatnot. For the lab report, we will just be continuing onward with that, and I know that lab reports can be hard to write. That's why I'm going to be making the lab report worth less points. Okay, so that means that it's going to be worth basically half what it normally is. Not because it's not still important, but just because I want you to continue to practice those writing skills. Okay, and so I'll be providing some video assistance also on helping to write that kind of as we go. So, um, I will also not be sending out weekly Sunday emails anymore, but posting everything onto the Plus Portals class page for parents and students to see. So instead of you getting an email from me, I encourage you to go to Plus Portals Monday morning and see what we have, going on that week. And it will just include due dates, other information. It's basically going to be my Sunday email, but just on the class page for Plus Portals. I'm also sending out an infographic about the basic things for our class, including office hours. My office hours for sixth grade science are going to be from 3 to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. This is the students' opportunity to contact me with any questions that they may have, or email me so that we can kind of communicate faster about what things may be confusing still and whatnot. For office hours, students will log into Teams online and see the posted questions students have for me regarding any assignments we're working on. Please make sure that you think before you type. You proofread what you are going to post before you post it. So read over it, make sure that it sounds okay. And read over all the questions in the post section to make sure that you're not asking the same question twice, okay? So this is not an opportunity to chat back and forth with your friends, but an opportunity for you to ask me questions so that it can help everybody in sixth grade science, okay? So please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns, and we will figure this all out together. I know this is a little weird, but we're going to just kind of keep on keeping on, and let me know what else I can do to help, okay? Have a great week. Bye.